As we have discussed in the previous videos, as COVID-19 is an infectious disease easily spread from person to person, farm workers are at a heightened risk. This is because farm workers live and work together in groups. They often share space, tools, equipment, transportation, and housing. At work or in housing, it can be difficult to maintain physically distanced at all times. In certain workspaces, like in a field, it can be difficult to follow important safety practices like washing hands frequently. There is also the risk of coming into contact with local workers working part-time or full-time, or with delivery and shipment workers arriving to the farm. Like others, travel into town for groceries or services can also create a risk for farm workers of coming into contact with somebody who may be infected with the virus and then bringing the virus back to the farm. Symptoms of COVID-19 can also seem normal to some farm workers, as they may look like allergies from the dust or plants, or even like the effects of heat and sun. So recognizing the risk farm workers face, it is very important to be careful to protect from the virus and to also help prevent its spread. A vital part of this is getting informed as much as possible about COVID-19 safety, working with coworkers, supervisors, and employers to support each other, and to make sure everyone understands safety practices, can voice any concerns, and feel confident in the COVID-19 safety and support measures on the farm. In the previous two videos, we have provided a lot of information for workers on how to keep safe during this pandemic. However, as we know, it is not up to workers alone. Employers organize and direct the work tasks, the schedule, the pace, the equipment, and work environment, so they have the most responsibility for workplace health and safety. Currently, employers have been given more safety responsibilities and duties for COVID-19 safety from federal, provincial, and local government, and so there is a lot to do. Everyone, including employers, supervisors, and workers, has an important role to play for health and safety on the farm. It is by working together that we can achieve the best results. During this pandemic, working together is more important than ever. By the end of this video, we hope you feel more informed and confident to make sure to ask any questions if you do not understand something. Whether it is a safety rule or practice, or for example, what happens if you get tested for COVID-19, whatever it is, ask questions if you do not understand. Raise any concerns or ideas you may have with your supervisor or employer to help improve safety on the farm. It is also important for you to know what you can do if you feel like your concerns are not being addressed at your workplace, or if you find yourself in an unsafe situation. Again, all of this is in support of you having a healthy, safe, and productive season. This video was produced by staff from the Occupational Health Clinics for Ontario Workers, or OCHO.